Hello, welcome to Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a Range Rover Velar in stock. This one in particular is a 2-litre diesel. It's the D200 engine, so that's diesel, 200 brake horsepower, finished off in the beautiful Fuji White. Now we've got the nice contrast of the nickel Atlas grey lettering and grille on this vehicle, as well as surround sensors and a rear view camera fitted to the car as standard, and some stunning silver sparkle alloy wheels on this vehicle, which works really well, I think, in contrast to the white paintwork, the nice silver accents that we have right around the car as well. Now, deployable door handles, of course, signature to the Range Rover branding, along with keyless entry, which is denoted by the button on there. And coming right round to the rear of the vehicle, we do have a really generously sized boot on Range Rover Velar. Of course, with it being an approved vehicle, comes complete with its full set of carpet mats. And if we're looking underneath that boot floor, we've got even extra storage space underneath there, should we need to stash anything, hide anything underneath there. But if we're looking into the rear of the vehicle, we do have a suede cloth finish inside this car. There's no clear signs of wear and tear, and plenty of leg room for the rear occupants in the vehicle. Now, as well as it being suede cloth, we do have the outsides being that leather finish, which is the ebony leather with a nice light oyster contrasting stitch. Jumping round into the front of the car, we've got lots of adjustment in those seats. A part digital TFT display which reads 38,076 miles. Now, voice control, volume functionality, of course, on that multifunctional wheel, as well as paddles at the rear, which is in a nice metal finish. Also lights and wipers. And looking over here, we have our infotainment system. So on this car, we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Huge things for myself personally, because you can just connect your phone straight up, and that gives you the access to your sat nav on your phone, your Spotify, anything along those lines. And down here, heated seats, dual zone climate control, all the typical off-road modes that you would expect to find in Range Rover Velar, and twin cup holders right round the vehicle, gloss back finishes which look absolutely stunning. Just very refined vehicle. Twin cup holders. Underneath we've got a bit of storage space with that adjustable armrest, but looking up ahead, one really nice bit of specification that is on this car, not as standard at all, is the fact that we have a glass roof. Now, it is a sliding roof, so we can open it in part, or we can actually drag it all the way back and get it right open. And it lets that light in, makes the car feel even bigger than it already is, but nonetheless a very, very nice bit of specification that we would look for. Now, again, this is a D200 Range Rover Velar, but if you do have any further questions on this car, we're happy to answer them, and you can call us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.